Hi and welcome on the video on how to make a bacon potato wrap.
What do you need for that? It's 600 grams of diced Idaho potato. Starchy potato work better for that. I have here 100 grams of diced bacon, 1 clove of garlic, and 3 sprigs of thyme that I chopped, and a little salt. Boil the potato in water till they are completely done. Boil the potato in water till they are completely soft. Pour some oil into a saute pan. Add your bacon. Cook it till nicely brown. When the bacon has achieved a nice golden color, add the thyme and garlic to it. Let it cook for 2 minutes. Strain the bacon and garlic and reserve. When your potatoes are cooked, strain them and reserve them. Add the potato to a blender with the garlic and bacon mixture. Season with a little bit of salt and blend till completely smooth. Transfer the paste into a bowl. You will then take the paste, place it onto a silicone mat or a silpat, and with a spatula you will just spray it nicely this way. With a knife, clean the edge of the wrapper this way, so it's nice and even. Then you will bake it in the oven at 300 degrees for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you remove the potato bacon wrap from the oven. You want to place it in your fridge for 5 minutes to cool it down. After those 5 minutes, you will peel it out this way, delicately. That's your potato bacon wrap right here. Put it on a cutting board. And now you can cut it to the size you want it. Here I have a piece of ground meat that I pre-cooked. I'm going to show you how to wrap around the ground meat. I'm going to check for the size, put it here, and cut it right here, this way. I will then just wrap the piece of meat into the bacon potato wrap, that way. Tuck the inside. And now you are ready to cook that piece of meat. Heat up a saute pan, add a little oil to it. So when the oil starts to smoke a little bit, add the meat to it. Make sure it's nice and hot or it will stick to the pan. Okay, so you brown it on each side. Look at that nice little color we have here. You want to make sure that it's really crisp. You have a nice texture here. We want to color it evenly everywhere. Nice color. So that crust will give a great flavor to the meat, of course. You know, I use bacon that time to flavor it, but you could use other things. You could use mushroom, you could use herbs. I mean, there is really no limit of what you could use to flavor the wrap here. It's nice and crispy. I'm ready to enjoy that piece of meat. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that little demonstration on how to make a potato bacon wrap. I use it on meat that time, but you could use it with fish, other preparation. It's really up to your imagination. If you like it, let me know. Press the like button, subscribe. Take care. Thank you.